iPhone or Android device. Same thing with an iPad or Android tablet. Same thing with web. So various web default sizes and Surface Pro, Surface Pro 3 and 4, as well as you put in a custom size. You type in whatever you want. Now, that's great to get your first artboard on the page. But then if you want to bring in elements, because part of the drudgery of design is having to bring in all those or create all those elements from scratch that would be typically built inside the OS and you wouldn't be designing anyway. So now you can just use one of the built-in UI kits. So if I'm designing something that would look good on or be for an iOS device, I can go ahead and click on iOS and it brings up an iOS project with all of these elements that I can just click on and copy and paste into my own designs. So we've done all that work for you. We've designed all these icons, all these vectors. This is all ready to go for you to use in your own design. So that's one. That was for iOS, of course. We give Google some love as well. So you have all your Google elements that you can copy and paste into your designs. These are all just free-form elements you can copy and paste into whatever pages you need them in. And of course, there's also one for Microsoft Windows. Now, if you are just getting started and you say, hey, I don't want to start with a blank page, I kind of want to see one first, there is a tutorial built in and a get started with this sample file. So this is all built in. It walks you through step by step what to do. This tutorial is built right into the application. So that's the cool part. Now let's go ahead and I'm not gonna start from scratch because it would take too long in the video, especially for me to design and draw every single thing from scratch. So I'm gonna start with a design that's pretty far along, but I still have some work to do. Now this one is for a website. It has a mobile area here. These are all the mobile phone artboards. Then we've got the tablet artboard and we've got a web artboard. And it's great that you can do this all in the same project. You don't have to make one for phone, one for tablet, one for web. You can use, copy and paste the same elements that you need on each one. Now I'm going to hold down my Option key. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my scroll wheel on